Hey everybody, I'm holding like a little farewell reunion night tonight for some of my current and ex-employees. I'm actually moving stores and some of these employees have recently resigned, so I think it would be like a really nice night to get together and just have a good night out. So I hope you enjoy it too. Nick here, he's on the diet and he's eating Chinese. Okay.
What do you eat Chinese?
Chinese food's great.
I do like Chinese.
Got some prawn crackers. We're just waiting for all the others to arrive. There should be about 7 of us all together. So. Got sweet and sour, omelettes, scallops, prawns. I don't like prawns. I think you got chicken and beef. I'm going to get Szechuan. Is that how you say it?
Szechuan.
Szechuan, yeah. Probably get Szechuan beef.
This is my gang sign.
You can't hide from that. You can hide.
All right, my long soup is out, and we've got some spring rolls waiting for some boxing chicken. And this is the boxing chicken. It's basically fried chicken with sweet and sour sauce.
80.
We're calling them to find out what they want.
Sorry? 80. I think it's pretty good.
She's reading them the whole menu. They don't.
Yeah, for my size.
It's like they've never had Chinese before.
I think a 6 RM I can do about 95. Yeah, 6 RM. Yeah.
They're running late, so we're ordering
That's
now.
pretty bad.
And hopefully it'll be ready when they get here. And that empty chair is where Jonas is meant to be.
Yeah. That's the pre-dinner. That's the pre-dinner for the next one coming.
Alex is going to eat all of that. We'll see.
That's alright. How's that? Not enough.
We curried beef, we got garlic chicken, and Sydney's got his cutlets, and I'm waiting for mine to come out, the lemon chicken. Yeah.
Give me some of that.
And this is honey chicken, Alex's
some of that
dish
sugar.
that Nick's going to be eating most of.
I'm a beast, bro.
We left some for Alex.
And, check the turbine off, so
And here's my lemon chicken at long last.
Yeah.
One of the people, one of the brothers.
Well, Alex sort of made a good attempt.
I will still eat. I will still eat.
You control your brother.
What's wrong with these guys?
These guys, have you?
And Alex is leaving us. He's not coming bowling.
What is this? You don't give me a hug.
Your left tab is Snapchat, so you can video for actual photos.
We're just waiting for Jason and Zabi to show up. Oh wow! Very good. Right, get a shot. I will. Anyway.
Zabi.
It's not bad.
What?
Show us how it's done, Eva.
I'll show you guys the black people way.
We're all doing really, really bad. As I said, we're all doing really bad. Oh, look at this, look at this. Ah, nearly. I wasn't filming, but Jason got a strike. And Zabi nearly got one too, but so close. The final round. I'm not going to win, but I could come third. Come on, Eva.
Hi. I'm trying to beat the boys being the only girl in the outside. I have any
He's changing balls. He's got to get a strike to beat Zabi. Poor guy. Come on, Jason, don't let me down. You can beat Zabi. Okay, looks like Zabi's going to win, unless he does a couple of gutter balls. So, Zabi, it's up to you, man. And Zabi looks like he's the winner. So well done, Zabi. And first place we have Zabi. Second place, Jason. Third place is me. Fourth place is Steve. And then Eva. And lucky last was Nick. And we're all putting our shoes back on. We get a free game. They must have felt sorry for us because we played so bad.
I know.
Go! Come on, Eva. Oh, so close again. Jason just got a spare, and Zabi's up the bowl. Looking good. Abracadabra. Come on. Oh yeah! I just turned the camera off. Stephen got a strike and I missed it. Sorry guys. Sorry Stephen. Get another one. Ah. Now the camera rolling, we get to go to bed. Zabi's still dancing. Alright guys, we're heading home now. See ya.